We can try it. Mm, you must try it.
For the most delicious homemade sauerkraut, you only need 3 simple ingredients: cabbage, carrots, and salt. Start by slicing the cabbage however you like. You can do it by hand or use a food processor to make it quicker and easier. Next, peel the carrots and grate them. Mix the cabbage and carrots together, then transfer everything into a large jar. Press it down firmly so it's tightly packed. Now prepare the brine. Add salt to cold water, about 20 grams per liter, and stir it until it dissolves. Pour the salted water over the cabbage until it's fully covered. Leave it to ferment for 3 days. A couple of times a day, pierce the cabbage with a long stick or skewer to release the trapped air bubbles. After that, it's ready to enjoy.
And now add some oil. Aromatic oil is the best. And we can try it. You must try it. That's very healthy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe my channel. Bye.